Please help me welcome our beloved President, Toastmaster Gajendra Khare, to proceed the meeting further. Please help me welcome Toastmaster Gajendra Khare.
I request everybody, please pray for 30 seconds for world peace and to back to our normal life. So just keep silence for 30 seconds. Thank you. A very warm and splendid good evening, fellow Toastmasters and dear guests. I welcome you all for 365th, which is a very special meeting for today. We have an election of Central Delhi Toastmasters. Wow! Have you ever thought why some point in life at certain situations when someone is after you, forcing you, or even asking you to change your mind and give heed to his advice? He is ready to help you to take certain decisions in your life, to do certain things in life which you never did before. At that time, you must be very wise to take the decision. Maybe it can alter your life, it can change your belief and make you a better version of yourself. You cannot be adamant in life when any such opportunities are knocking your door, but at the same time, you have to choose it wisely. Otherwise, that opportunity may go. And today is one such incident, one such opportunity when our two former president has contacted me and I grabbed this opportunity and I become a president. Let me share you a story. If you are not wise, what happens? The story of a foolish weaver. There was a weaver living in a village. One day while working on his loom, he noticed that loom needed some repair. As he needed some wood for that, so he went to the jungle to chop some woods. When he was about to chop some branches from the tree, he saw a genie appeared from nowhere. The genie said the tree was his abode and requested him not to cut that tree. That genie also promised a boon to the weaver, dropped his plan of cutting that tree. The weaver was not confident about himself and hence said that he would like to take advice from his wife because he was not sure what boon he can ask from a genie. After that, the weaver returned to his home and told his wife about the genie and the wound. The wife was also not so wise, even was a dumber. She said that he should ask one extra head and two extra hands. She said that it would enable the weaver to work at the faster pace and their income would become double. The beaver rushed back to the jungle and asked the genie to give him an extra head and two extra hands. The genie waved his hand in no time, and the weaver was adorned with two heads and four heads, two extra hands. The weaver was very happy and ran towards his village. When he entered the village, the villagers noticed something strange in him, and the villagers thought that something is dangerous in that monster, kind of thing. They beat him to death in no time. The moral of the story: sometimes the lack of judgment can ruin a golden opportunity. Folks, if you want to take a wise decision in your life and you want to become a better leader or a communicator, your fellow Toastmasters, even from the club or from outside the club, may approach you to be a leader, maybe the club, maybe at area level, maybe at district level. At that time, you think, then what should I do? And you stuck. And you lack judgment whether you want to go for it or you don't want to go for it. That will definitely ruin your golden opportunity. And this is such a wonderful opportunity for all the club members. If they took advice from their fellow Toastmasters or any person who are their mentor, and take forward this journey, I took advice from our former president or the person, those who were mentoring me and those who were seeking some good leader in me, and I took this opportunity, I took this privilege, and today I am a president of one of the wonderful club, which is Central Delhi Toastmaster Club. So today is a special meeting, and today we have a special person with us who is none other than our international president and our charter member of our club, DTM Deepak Menon. Give him a huge round of applause. So guest, I have few guests available in today's meeting. So let me introduce you to you. So we have Meenakshi Sharma. Are you there, Meenakshi? So you can introduce who you are, what do you do, and how did you come to know about the Toastmaster? Are you there, Meenakshi?
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah.
Okay, my name is Meenakshi. I am a teacher. I teach mathematics, and I came to know about Toastmaster through online Facebook page only.
Okay. We have Rabjot Kaur with us. So may I request Rabjot, please introduce yourself to us?
Hi, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are.
Hi, sir. So my name is Rabjot and I am pursuing MBA from Thapar University. So I
Okay.
came to know about Toastmasters from the place from where I'm pursuing my internship. I'm pursuing my internship from Historians, which is a company based in Delhi only. So he suggested me to join this platform.
Okay, thank you, Abjot. I welcome you on behalf of the club to witness this meeting. Today is a different meeting than our normal meeting. Today we have an election in our meeting, so I think we would not be able to witness some amazing speeches from the club, but definitely you'll enjoy that process. So now this is the time to introduce someone who is a veteran at very helpful and passionate Toastmaster, Ankit Sinha. Ankit has completed his advanced communicator bronze and he is a company secretary by profession. Toastmaster Ankit is a runner-up in evaluation contest 2020 at area level. He has also won many contests at club and area level in the past years. He is an election master for today's meeting. DTM Ankit's vision is to help people selflessly and serve the society. He is someone for his expert advice, his punctuality, his humor, his storytelling abilities, and his energy and enthusiasm. It's commendable. So, without any further ado, let me welcome Toastmaster Ankit Sinha as election master. Toastmaster Ankit Sinha to take this meeting forward and to conduct the election for today's meeting. Ankit.
Good evening, fellow Toastmasters. Good evening, fellow Toastmasters and my dear guests. And thank you for the kind words, Mr. President. And I like everything just except the word punctuality. That is most of the case missing in my attending the meeting. So friends, today is a special meeting. Today is an election meeting. Before I come to the election agenda, I would like to share one thing. Friends, Sachin Tendulkar started his career in 1989. He played for more than 23 years. One day he left cricket and announced his retirement. I thought, what will happen after that? How cricket will move further? That was a big question in my mind. But to my surprise, cricket not only moved, but also sees this kind of ride. Because Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, and many other cricketers filled the gap. So friends, what I learned from it, learning is that everything which starts has to end. And similarly, our EC, which started functioning in the month of January, 1st January 2020, their term is going to finish on 30th of June. So that future leaders, new leaders can come up and guide the ship. So friends, election process of upcoming EC began on 11th of June, when President shooted a mail asking all members to please cast your nomination to our nomination committee chairman Ajay Malik. Toastmaster Ajay received many nominations, and with the help of fellow members, veteran members, he interviewed them. And after a long discussion, he released a list of final nominations for the EC position. So what are these EC positions, and people who are left out, what they can participate or not? There are many questions running in our mind. So first thing is that people who miss the bus, who are just thinking, I wish I be part of AC. I wish I would have nominated myself. My dear friends, you can still do the same. Today, you can nominate yourself from the floor. And it's not a mere nomination. Here, CDT members are so generous. If your vision, if they like your vision, then they will surely elect you for the position. So today, that means EC position is all the members, rather all the 26 members out of 21 we have present here can file their nomination. Now move on to what are the official nominations we have received. We have received for the post of president, that's the top position of the EC position. Toastmaster Gursifat Kaur nomination has been finalized. For second position, that is Vice President Education, Dhwani Gupta name has been finalized. For Vice President Membership, Toastmaster Nitin Gautam. For Vice President Public Relations, we have Toastmaster Karan Veer Singh. For next position, position number 5, Club Secretary, we have 3 nominations. Rather, we have nomination committee has finalized 3 persons for the position. Toastmaster Saurabh Kaushik, Toastmaster Aarti Motsara, and Toastmaster Harshvardhan Sharma. Position number 6, Club Treasurer. Nomination is from Toastmaster Karthik Bhatia. The last position, Sergeant at Arms, that is SAA. It is Toastmaster Nipun Ahuja and Toastmaster Aarti Motsara. So friends, before going further, I would like to share there are certain rules. Let's say you can see that for the initial 4 positions, there are only 1 person who has been nominated. If no other person nominate himself or herself, then voting will not happen. And this person will be elected by a vote casted by the club secretary on behalf of the club. However, I request you to please file your nomination so that we can see some competition for every EC position. And one of the pre-requirements is that club needs to have a quorum. Today we have 26 paid members. In our active paid members we are in the club, out of which, as per information provided to me, 21 are present in the meeting. That means we are much above than the required 14. Next thing is that, friends, suppose how a person will be elected. What's the next thing? Suppose there are 2 persons, person A and person B. Out of 21, the person needs to receive 11 votes at least. That means more than 50%. Let's say there are 3 nominations. 3 persons have nominated themselves. Election happened. 1 person received 8, other 5, and the other person, 3 person, received 6 votes. So friends, in this case, none of them received the required majority of 11. So we will have a second round in which the person named C who receive lowest number of votes will be eliminated. An election will happen between A and B. Now we will see who get the majority. So friends, in case of more than one member, how will audience choose? It's also because nomination has been finalized. You need to know that how we are going to choose. For this, they will get 2-minute speech slot. 2 minutes will be given for them to present their vision for that particular EC position. And after 2 minutes in normal meeting, we have a applaud kind of thing. But in this case, our timer will show a red card and the person has to stop because 2 minutes is the max time for you to deliver a speech, election speech. So any query regarding the process, if anyone can ask, anyone has any query?
Any paid member who wish to nominate themselves for the any position, they have to be member in a good standing and they can nominate themselves from the floor itself. So you can ask before proceed any election process. You can ask them if anybody is interested to nominate themselves for the position of whatever the position you are calling going to conduct the election. Yeah.
Thank you, Mr.
Anything,
President. And
Yes,
anything,
Toastmaster
Deepak sir,
Ankit.
any suggestion?
Yes.
Thank you, Ankit. I wanted to know how are we going to be excluding the guests who are in the meeting from the process, because it's only the members who will be eligible to cast their votes.
correct.
So is there a process for that?
Yes, sir. Gaganjit, can you explain?
Sure. Thank you for that question, Deepakji. So basically, what we'll be doing is Karanveer and I will be managing the breakout rooms, or we'll make sure that the guests are made to be in a waiting room by the time the polls are happening. So only the paid members and the existing members of the club can participate in the polls.
Okay, got it. There's one other thing, Ankit, that I wanted to
Yes, sir.
suggest. If it's possible, when the 2 minutes for the candidates are done, when they reach the 2-minute point, instead of just the red card being displayed, they can also be muted by the technical host.
Correct, sir. Yeah, absolutely right.
Okay.
Yeah, so after 2 minutes,
Certainly,
they are
sir.
not allowed to speak, and we have to clap in a physical meeting, and here the tech master can mute them. So it's a very good suggestion. Yeah, so we'll take care of it. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your suggestion. Any query any member have regarding the process? Any query? So can we begin the election process?
Yes, please.
Deepak sir, okay. So friends, here the election for the upcoming EC that is going to take the charge from 1st of July 2020 and who will have the reign till 31st December 2020 for this half of the year. Here the process is going to begin. So friends, our first position is the position of the president of the club. President is a person who presides. There's some noise from someone's background noise. I request all other persons to please mute their if possible. Okay. So friends, just move further. President, first position is the president. President presides the meeting. He has the general supervision for the operations of the club, and he is or she is club representative on the district councils. So friends, the club president passes not only the club, his hands moves further area and district level. He or she represents at that level. So it's not a limitation, not a limited area of just guiding a ship of 26 or 30 members. It's much beyond that. That person get a chance to interact so many dignitaries, so many better communicators outside the club, because they have to communicate with different officials out there, different persons. So friends, I open the floor. Friends, we have one official nominations for, by a nomination committee, that is Toastmaster Gursifat Kaur. I open the floor officially for all the members present here. I request, please please nominate yourself for the position of president of CDTF. It's a first call. You have 15 seconds, 20 seconds to think over it. Now you can unmute yourself if you want to nominate. The person who wishes to nominate himself or herself can unmute. Friends, Toastmaster Gursifat Kaur Chhabra is willing to have some competition for the post of president. Let's have someone on the board. It's a second call. Second call for the post of president. This time, friends, out of 21, only one has been nominated for president position. 20 are there. And I would like to clarify one more thing, that the person who have nominated for the position, that means it's Dhwani Gupta, Toastmaster Nitin Gautam, or any person, whether they are there, this part of this nomination chart, they can come and nominate themselves for the post of president. Here comes the last call. 30 seconds for you. It's a once in a 6-month opportunity. You may have to face too much competition in next CC, but these 20 seconds will not be there again. So last 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Time up. We have not received any nomination for the post of president. So I request Club Secretary Toastmaster Akhil to cast vote on behalf of the club in favor of Toastmaster Gursifat Kaur for being elected as a president for upcoming term July 2020 to December 2019. Toastmaster Akhil, Secretary of the club, please cast a ballot in favor of Toastmaster Gursifat.
Sure, sir. I hereby cast my vote for the post of president to the Toastmaster Gursifat. All the best. Congratulations to you.
So friends, with
Over
this,
to you.
we have our, thank you so much, Toastmaster Akhil. So friends, with this, we have our elected, not nominated, this is elected club president for July to December 2020, Toastmaster Gursifat Kaur. Congratulations, Toastmaster Gursifat Kaur. So friends, with this, now move on to the position number 2, Vice President Education. Most difficult job, most promising job to do. It's a second ranking officer of the club. VP Education plans and directs club programs which meet educational needs of the club members. Plans and publishes regular schedules of the meeting, assignments, and keep track of the members' progress. Serve as a club representative on area and district council. So friends, let's begin this Vice President Education election. We have received one nomination from nomination committee, that is Toastmaster Dhwani Gupta. Now I open the floor. Friends, if you were thinking that president is a very difficult job, here is position number 2. At least you will have president to guide here. So I open the floor for the post of Vice President Education. It's a first call. Anyone saying anything? Anyone nominating himself or herself except Dhwani Gupta, who is already nominated? Will Dhwani Gupta face any kind of competition or election? It depends on you. Next 1 minute. Call number 2. I request once again, 20 members out there. Now 19 because Gurshifat Kaur has already been elected. Except Gurshifat and Dhwani, 19 members can nominate themselves for the position of VP Education. Anyone? Friends, before I take the call number 3, I would like to ask Toastmaster Dhwani Gupta. Dhwani, are you there? Toastmaster Dhwani? Toastmaster Dhwani is there. Dhwani, please unmute yourself.
Yes, yeah, I'm here.
Yeah. Toastmaster Dhwani, if elected, will you serve the club to the best of your ability for the position of Vice President Education? Toastmaster Dhwani Gupta, if elected, will you serve the club to the best of your ability for the position Vice President Education? Dhwani, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Hello.
But I think
Okay,
there's
okay.
some technical issue.
Okay, so I repeat my question
So I
again.
will.
Am I audible now? Okay, you will. That means Dhwani is saying that if elected,
Yes,
she
you are.
will serve the club to the best of her ability. As VP Education, that's one of the most difficult position of the club. So with this, I open the floor again, 3rd time. Any call? Just 10 more seconds. 19 members are thinking. No voice, no communication at all. The club, which is so popular for its communication, is mute for this 5 seconds. Last 2 seconds. Time up. Now, I request our secretary to cast vote in favor of Toastmaster Dhwani Gupta as newly elected VP Education for the club for the term July 2020 to December 2020. Toastmaster Akhil, please cast.
Hello. Yes. I hereby cast my vote Toastmaster Dhwani for Vice President Education July to this 2020. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Akhil. And with this, we have a newly elected Vice President Education July to December. Toastmaster Dhwani Gupta is the new VP Education. So congratulations, Toastmaster Dhwani. So friends, with this move to our next position, that is Vice President Membership. Vice President Membership is a person who plans and directs programs to retain and increase the membership of the club. And he also serves as a club representative at area and district councils. Nomination committee has given name of Toastmaster Nitin Gautam as Vice President Membership. So Toastmaster Nitin Gautam, I would like to ask you, if elected, will you serve the club? Will you serve the position of VP membership to the best of your ability?
Yes, Ankit sir.
Toastmaster Nitin?
Yes, Ankit sir. I will
Okay.
perform my duties.
Okay, thank you so much, Toastmaster Nitin. So Nitin is all set. Is there any other candidate set for this role? Anyone else? I open the floor for remaining Toastmaster, that means except Toastmaster Gursifer, Toastmaster Dhwani, and also Toastmaster Nitin. 18 members can nominate themselves. Anyone? It's a golden opportunity. Vice President membership gets chance to interact not only to the existing but a new members. It's a big position, and VP membership for the CD team is also a big opportunity. Call number 2. Any willing member for this position of Vice President membership to compete with Toastmaster Nitin Gautam? Just give some fight to Toastmaster Nitin Gautam. Let's not make an easy ride. Any contender, any competitor, any person out there for Toastmaster Nitin Gautam, who's between Nitin and position of VP membership? Anyone out there? Anyone said yes? There's some whispering, but no clear yes. So that's a one last call to convert this whisper to a real yes. I nominate. The last call for the position of VP membership to compete, to elect, to stop, to create some kind of hurdles for Toastmaster Nitin Gautam for VP membership. Any other person out there, any courageous, brave Toastmaster, CDTA member, active and also in good standing as per Gajan sir. So friends, 5 more seconds. Nothing happened, and here Toastmaster Nitin Gautam will be our next VP membership once our club secretary casts his vote. So I request Toastmaster Akhil again, please cast a ballot in favor of Toastmaster Nitin Gautam for being elected as VP membership. Toastmaster Akhil, please cast.
Yes. I hereby cast my vote to the Toastmaster Nitin for the post of VP membership for the term July to December 2020. All the best and congratulations, Nitin.
Thank you, Toastmaster Nitin. And with this, Toastmaster Nitin Gautam is our next VP membership for term July to December. So congratulations, Toastmaster Nitin. There's no noise from Nitin. Nitin must have been very happy.
Yes, sir. So much happy. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. So friends, with this, move on to position number 4. Vice President Public Relationship. Here we have Toastmaster Karanveer Singh, who is not letting any other person to come in. So it's time to perform duties of VPPR in better manner. If you think that VPPR is not doing his job perfectly, or you think that you can improve a bit, so it's time to nominate yourself. Officially, we have Vice President Public Relations nomination, Toastmaster Karanveer Singh, who is also an existing EC member for the same position. So I open the floor for all other members to present some hindrance for Toastmaster Karanveer Singh before he being elected as a Vice President Public Relations. We have one nomination only. I open the floor. But before this, I like to ask Toastmaster Karanveer Singh. Karanveer, if elected as VP Public Relations, will you serve the club to the best of your ability as you are doing that right now?
Yes, Toastmaster Ankit. If elected as Vice President Public Relations, I promise to take Central Delhi Toastmasters to another level in the domain of public relations.
Thank you, Toastmaster Karanveer. Friends, as you have seen that Toastmaster Karanveer is very much committed. So any other committed member out there who has commitment like of Karanveer or much better than that, he or she can nominate herself. Even new members can nominate themselves. There's no bar. Like contest, we have some 6 speeches, some levels, some pathways, but here nothing. If you are even a 1 day old in Toastmaster CDTM, then you can nominate yourself. Friends, I open the floor for the nomination. Please nominate yourself for the post of Vice President Public Relationship. Members are very keen to hear some voice, some noise, something, some yes from someone. Call number 2, 15 more seconds. 15 more seconds for upcoming leaders. Friends, please don't wait for call number 3. Even you can nominate yourself on call number 2. Here comes the call number 3. Last chance to manage CDTM at every level, it's Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, at every platform. You will get chance to manage. You will get chance to represent. You can implement your ideas under guidance of our newly elected president, Toastmaster Gursifer. Friends, 5 more seconds, because there was no hindrance for last 3 positions. The position number 4, nomination closes. I request Toastmaster Akhil once again to cast vote in favor of Toastmaster Karanveer Singh as new Vice President Public Relations for the term July to December 2020.
Sure, sir. I hereby cast my vote to the Toastmaster Karanveer for the post of VPPR for the term July to December 2020. All the best and congratulations, Toastmaster Karanveer. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Toastmaster Akhil. We have a new Vice President Public Relations, Toastmaster Karanveer Singh. Big congratulations, Toastmaster Karanveer. Friends, now move on to position number 5. Here we have some competition out there. For for club secretary, we have received 3 nominations. Names are as under: Toastmaster Saurabh Kaushik, Toastmaster Aarti Motsara, and Toastmaster Harshvardhan Sharma. Friends, these contenders will be given 2 minutes to express their vision before the members. And after that, we will have an election and you will choose the most suitable candidate for the club. Speaking order has been decided as per their surname. Firstly, we will have Toastmaster Saurabh Kaushik. After that, Toastmaster Aarti Motsara. And in the end, we have Toastmaster Harshvardhan Sharma.
Mr. Election Master, I see Deepak Menon has raised his hand. Can we please see what the concern is?
Yeah, I had a point of order here, Ankit. You need to first open the floor for any people who may want to nominate themselves from the floor as well, before you call the nominated candidates to speak on the 2-minute time that has been given. So after you've opened the floor for nominations, then if there are no nominations coming from the floor and only the 3 who have been nominated remain, they will speak in the order of their alphabetical order of their names. So that's a process that will need to be followed. Thank you, Ankit.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Deepak sir. And it's always better to have such a veteran Toastmaster and international president, Deepak Menon, on the club, because we follow, because in case we deviate a bit, he corrects it. So thank you so much, sir. So friends, here I open the floor for all the members to compete with these 3 contenders. It's a first call for the position of club secretary. Any nominations, any person who would like to nominate himself or herself for this position, club secretary? Friends, don't think too much, just nominate yourself. We have already 3 on the board. It's a very responsible position, club secretary. As secretary is responsible for the maintenance of all these club records, correspondence, and he has so many responsibilities to do. Second call for the position of club secretary. Anyone? Call number 3, last call for the position of club secretary. 15 more seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we have 3 contenders for the position of club secretary. Before I call them for their speeches, I would like to ask them firstly, Saurabh Kaushik. Saurabh, if elected as a club secretary, will you serve the club to the best of your ability?
Yes, good evening, everyone. I will perform my best if I serve.
Thank you so much, Saurabh. Toastmaster Aarti Motsara, if elected as club secretary, will you serve your duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, if I get elected, I'll serve the club to best of my abilities.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Aarti Motsara. Toastmaster Harshvardhan Sharma, if elected as a club secretary, will you serve the club to the best of your ability?
Yes, if I get selected, I will serve as for the best opportunity.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Harshvardhan. So friends, it's time to call our contenders one by one to present their vision in 2 minute time duration. I request Tech Master to please mute them as per Deepak's suggestion after 2 minutes. So they should get 2 minutes for each, not more than that. So firstly, I would like to call Toastmaster Saurabh Kaushik for the speech for the position of Club Secretary. Saurabh, please come.
Hello, am I
Over to
audible?
Saurabh. Yes, you are.
Good evening, election chair, fellow Toastmasters and their guest. I am Saurabh Kaushik, nominated myself for the position of secretary of this prestigious club. I am working as a quality manager in Telmex in Ghaziabad. I believe that I would be the suitable candidate for this post because I frequently organize different types of management meetings in my organization, records minutes, and ensure that the external points are being noted by the concerned person on it. Apart from this, I have been watched EC members' activities for last 6 months. How did they work? How did they organize their club meeting? Besides it, I have been helping as an assistant of secretary for last tenure. I have recorded minutes of club meetings many times and circulated it on the time-bound manner. As a secretary of this club, I am very much clear about what my roles and responsibilities would be. If you elect me for the position of secretary, uh, apart from getting some fresh ideas, I will ensure the following. Being a secretary, I record minutes of club meeting and will circulate it on time-bound manner. And I have to maintain the roster of the club. Second one is to circulate the attendance sheet and preparing the list of action for president. Third one is to handling the club correspondence and keeping the record of club files. Fourth one is I will facilitate the members' progress in base camp and updating the club's officer list. Also, I will work in tandem with EC for smooth functioning of my roles and responsibilities. Thank you. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Saurabh Kaushik. It's time to call our next contender, Toastmaster Aarti Motsara, who will present her vision for the position of club secretary in 2 minute duration. Over to Toastmaster. Just a minute. Nipun has some point. Nipun, you have any query? Okay.
I just clapped. I just clapped
Okay.
for the.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Okay. Clap for the speech. So friends, it's time to call our next contender, Toastmaster Aarti Motsara. Over to Toastmaster Aarti Motsara.
Good evening, everyone. My Toastmasters journey began 4 weeks back, and over this period, I have come to realize that along with providing an incomparable platform to refine one's speaking and writing skills, CDTM also offers a tremendous opportunity to develop one's leadership skills. Thereby, I stand before you as I enroll myself into consideration for the position of secretary. I would like to take this opportunity to put across the reasons why I am a perfect fit for this position. One of my biggest strengths is that I'm a keen observer with a sharp eye for detail, and hence I'll be competent at taking note of all the nitty-gritty of every discussion. I promise to assist the Vice President of Education in all her endeavors and go above and beyond to facilitate members for the base camp manager. Additionally, I will utilize this position of responsibility to reach out to each Toastmaster in this prestigious club to understand your thoughts and opinions at the grassroots level and assist the Vice President membership in motivating the members of the club. To conclude, I would like to reiterate my gratitude for being considered for such a distinguished role, and I hereby promise to fulfill my duties as a secretary of this wonderful club with utmost sincerity and integrity. Place your confidence in me and elect me as your next secretary, and see me uphold the values and the eminent brand that this club has stood for. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Aarti. Now it's time to call our this position. Am I audible?
Hello?
Yes,
Hello.
you are.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Yeah. Sorry, there was some network issue. So friends, it's time to call our last contender, Toastmaster Harshvardhan Sharma. Harshvardhan Sharma will deliberate on his vision for the position of club secretary in 2 minute duration. So let's see what Harshvardhan has in store for you. So over to Toastmaster Harshvardhan.
Good evening, fellow Toastmaster and dear guests. I, Harshvardhan Sharma, I have nominated myself for the position of the secretary. As a secretary, I will manage the minutes of meeting in a good manner, and I am a good at content writing. As a student of management student, I will manage all the minutes of meeting in a good manner, and I feel I can be elected as the position of secretary because I have all the qualities that the secretary requires, and I can manage all the things, and I will make sure that our meeting will be in Dekra, and the meeting will held in nice manner. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Harshvardhan, for nice speech. Friends, you have heard all three contenders. Now it's your time. It's time to exercise your vote and choose the Toastmaster who is most suitable for this position. So I request Tech Master to please release the ballot so that our members can choose one of them as a new club secretary. Toastmaster Karanveer, Toastmaster Gaganjit, can we
Thank
have...
you, Mr. Election Chair. Before we do that, may I please ask the guests to raise their hands, and what we'll be doing is we'll be moving you to a different room besides this polling room. So I would request you to please wait over there, and we'll invite you back into this room so that you can attend the rest of the meeting and see the poll results. So as I can see, we have two guests. One is Dheeraj Jain. So Dheeraj, I'll be moving you to another room before we launch the poll. Are you able to hear us, Dheeraj? Toastmaster Dheeraj? The next I see is Isha, guest. I'll be moving you to the waiting room. Please be with us.
Spurs is also there, I think. Spurs.
Okay, may I ask the president to help me out with the existing paid and members who are in good standing?
Spurs.
Spurs will be moving you to a separate room. Please be with us.
Guests can raise their hands, virtual hand. This should also help.
Yeah, that would help.
I think then all are now is left with the guest. Guest is
any
moved
guests out there?
No, I cannot see any guests now.
So please ensure your connections are remain proper so that we are able to conduct the elections with proper quorum. I see there are 24 connected members with us, one of which is my different device, that is the iPhone, because being the
21 is.
Yeah.
So 21 member out there, yes.
All right. So now I'll launch the poll and...
Toastmaster Gaganjit, before you launch the poll, could you please revoke my co-host access so that I can vote?
Sure, I'll do that.
Thank you.
All right, that is done. So I'll now launch the poll. Polls for club secretary. Here you go. Please let me know if anybody does not see the polls on their screen. I'm launching the poll. It's being launched. I hope everybody is able to see the polls on their screen.
Yes, Gaganjit, no issues on that.
Are we done with the voting?
I have a question for Karanveer. Karanveer, I'm not able to see the progress in percentages. Neither am I able to see any number being updated on the polls itself.
You will see in the top right corner.
Yeah, I see 0 of 20.
You see 0 of 20 because that shouldn't be the case because many of us have already voted. The number updates automatically when people vote.
I can't see any update over here.
Okay, so what other options do you see?
I only see an option for ending the poll.
Okay, so please click end button, then maybe you can see the refreshed
Relaunch?
poll results.
All right. I'm ending the poll right now. I hope everybody has voted. I have ended it and it says 0 voted. Should I relaunch the polls?
Yes,
Probably
you
that
should.
would be the best.
All right. I'll do that. Polls for the club secretary launching now. On your screens.
It will remain open for 30 seconds or something.
I think 30 seconds should be good.
Okay.
Ganganjit, do you see updating numbers on the screen?
No, I still don't see any numbers, Karan.
Okay, so maybe there is an issue on your device. Maybe you can try making me the host back again and I
I'll do
can
that.
launch the polling so
I'll
that
do
we
that.
don't face another issue. Thank you so much, Gaganjit. I'm launching the polls for the post of club secretary now. Okay.
I'm seeing the
Gaganjit?
results.
Yeah,
Yes.
results are out there.
Okay, so Gaganjit, the votes were already recorded. Maybe it didn't show up on your device. I'll relaunch the poll again.
All right.
And we can vote. Everyone can vote again. Yes.
Karan, I have received a message from Akhil saying he has a connectivity issue. Please add him to the room.
We did. Thank you. Received 18 out of 20 votes till now. Waiting for other two.
There are 21 members or 20?
We have 20 members right now, except me, because as a host, I won't be able to vote.
We have 20 plus 1 member.
Okay, maybe I can also log in from another device and vote.
You can also text me your vote if you think so. And I will.
Okay, so election master, we have received 18 out of 20 votes till now. So shall I close the polls?
Yeah, please.
Okay, and I'm sharing the results on your screen now. If I have your permissions, election master.
Yeah, please. Please share.
Here are the results in front of you. Toastmaster Saurabh Kaushik has received 5 votes. Toastmaster Aarti has received 12 votes, and Toastmaster Harshvardhan has received 1 vote.
So friends, as you can see that Toastmaster Aarti has received 12 votes, that is more than the majority required. So I declare Toastmaster Aarti Motsara as new club secretary for the term July to December 2020. Congratulations, Toastmaster Aarti.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
So there's a good competition we have seen in this position. So friends, with this now move on to position number 6, that is position of treasurer. Treasurer is a person who manages, rather prepares financial policies, process and control. He collects dues and pays these to the Toastmaster International. He makes financial reports, present to the club, and do all the financial activities required. So that's a very, very responsible position. Here the money comes in, and to manage it properly, we need some responsible person out there. We have one responsible person that has been nominated by the nomination committee. That is Toastmaster Karthik Bhatia. So let's see, we have any other responsible position who is all set to manage CDTM finances intelligently. But before I call for nomination, I ask Toastmaster Karthik Bhatia. Toastmaster Karthik Bhatia, if elected as club treasurer, will you serve the club to the best of your ability?
Yes, Toastmaster Ankit, I will serve the post with the best of my abilities, and I'm willing to put a lot of time and energy in what it takes to be the treasurer of Toastmasters.
Thank you so much, friends. You must have heard the enthusiasm in the voice of Toastmaster Karthik Bhatia. Is there any other member who has similar enthusiasm in his voice and who is all set to contest, to challenge Toastmaster Karthik Bhatia for the position of club treasurer? Anyone out there? First call from the floor. Anyone can nominate himself for this position of club treasurer. I would like to clear one point, that Toastmaster Saurabh Kaushik and Toastmaster Harshvardhan Sharma or any other member can nominate themselves for this position as well. The floor is 100% open for everyone. No matter whether you lose for a particular position or not, you can nominate yourself. So I open the floor for everyone to nominate themselves for the position of club treasurer. The second call for the position of club treasurer.
I think Harshvardhan has lifted his hand.
Harshvardhan has lifted his hand. Harshvardhan, are you willing to nominate yourself?
Yes.
So good, friends, we have one nomination. Now we have 2 persons out there. That means there will be election. Toastmaster Karthik Bhatia and Toastmaster Harshvardhan Sharma. Now I would like to call once again any other member. We have seen 3 persons for the position of club secretary. I would love to see 3 for this 2.
Should I lower my hand?
Yeah, please lower your hand.
Mr. Election Master, I have a request to make.
Yeah, please.
For the nomination to be made, it needs to be supported by 2 members.
Yeah, okay. So friends, since Harshvardhan Sharma has nominated himself, we need two persons to second his nomination. So any two members, by raising the virtual hand, can support his nomination, or they can straight away say on their mic, yeah, we have received Gaganji Sethi. He has seconded. Any other person who is seconding the nomination? Yeah, Toastmaster Nipun Ahuja. So that means Harshvardhan Sharma has nominated himself, Nipun Ahuja, and Toastmaster Gaganji Singh Sethi has seconded his nomination. So any other person out there?
Can I also nominate him? Can I also second his nomination?
Yeah, please. Because actually, two are required. Since you have also seconded, it's fine. Thank you. Thank you, Karthik. So friends, it's good to see that even contender has seconded the nomination. Last call, last 5 seconds. It can be 3. We have right now 2 contenders for the position of Club Treasurer, Toastmaster Karthik Bhatia, Toastmaster Harshvardhan Sharma. I close the nomination for the position of Club Treasurer. Now we will have speeches, 2 minutes regarding their vision for the position of Club Treasurer. In terms, speaking order has been chosen in terms of their surname. Toastmaster Karthik Bhatia, since it's a B is there, he will go first. And after that, we will have Toastmaster Harshvardhan Sharma. So I request Toastmaster Karthik Bhatia to present his vision, plan of action as a club treasurer for upcoming 6-month term. Over to Toastmaster Karthik Bhatia.
Well, good evening, everyone. Friends, in the world we live in, we need to cooperate and work hard to make anything successful. But we also need capital to make things possible. A club as enthusiastic as CDTM needs the synergy of passion and good utilization of funds to fuel that passion. In these times, when we are locked down and screens are the only window to the world, it is important that we invest in platforms that make the meetings livelier and help us break away from the monotony of regular meetings and infuse energy in the group. It is also important that we keep expanding our family of Toastmasters so fresh thoughts and vigor keeps coming into the group. Well, I have been involved in managing funds for quite some time now. In college, I was associated with 2 societies and was general secretary of one, where I was bestowed with responsibility of using funds in various activities for 3 years. In my previous firm at Deloitte, I was the party master for almost 4 years, where for a team of 80 people, I had to plan a party each month so that we got the best of deals in pubs in the allocated budget. Currently in my job, I have been entrusted with the responsibility of disbursing crores of taxpayers' money to districts to ensure effective projects are taken up. So I am indirectly already handling your money through the government. I, as treasurer, will ensure that money is safeguarded so we can invest in the platforms to keep the army of passionate public speakers, aka CDTM, expanding. Well, thank you to everyone, and please vote for me if you think my ideas for the club will take it forward. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Karthik Bhatia. And with this, it's time to see what Harshvardhan Sharma wants to say regarding contenders for the position of club treasurer. Over to Toastmaster Harshvardhan Sharma.
Thank you, election chair. Good evening, fellow Toastmaster and dear guests. I Harshvardhan Sharma is going to. If I become the treasurer, then I will keep the money safe because I feel that my finance things are good in if I become the treasurer, then I will keep the safe, and I will from that money I will benefit the Central Delhi Toastmaster and my in my PGPM I am planning to take finance because I think my finance is good, so that in order for that I can manage the treasurer role as well as I can maintain the money safe. Thank you. Over to EC.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Harshvardhan Sharma, for sharing your vision for the position of club treasurer. It's election time. It's the time to cast your vote, and for this we need a tech master, and our tech master is Toastmaster Karan Veer Singh. Over to Toastmaster Karan Veer Singh to launch the election ballot.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Ankit. We have moved guests to the waiting room. President, could you please confirm if we have all the paid members in the room now? Yes, all right. So we are launching the polls for Club Treasurer. The polls are on your screens now.
Yeah.
We have received 18 out of 20 votes. I request other members to also vote. All right, we are ending the polls now. Election Master, I am sharing the results on your screen and you can proceed with the results then.
Tech master, I am seeing only the percentage thing.
You can also see the number alongside. Okay, so on mobiles, the numbers aren't visible. So let me announce. Toastmaster Karthik Bhatia. Okay, percentage would be enough. Toastmaster C.
Yeah. Toastmaster Karthik Bhatia has received 84% votes.
Yeah.
And
I mean, it's above 50, so I thought
that is above 50%. That means our new club treasurer is Toastmaster Karthik Bhatia for the term July to December 2020. Congratulations, Toastmaster Karthik.
Thank you everyone.
Now only one position remains vacant in the team Gursipat for the next term. We have filled all 6 positions, just one last position, and this position is a SAA, that is Sergeant at Arms. Friends, this position is the last, but certainly not our least, because if SAA is not there, you cannot even imagine a meeting. My view, if any other person out there is missing, you can have a meeting, but if SAA is there, especially in case of physical meeting, his relevance is too much. So he is the logistic manager for the club. He maintains club property, its banner, name tags, supplies, manages everything. So friends, for this position, SA position, we had 2 nominations, but since Toastmaster Aarti has been elected for the position of club secretary, we have only one candidate, that is Toastmaster Nipun Ahuja. So Toastmaster Nipun Ahuja, if elected as SAA, that is Sergeant at Arms of the club, will you serve to the best of your ability?
Yes, Ankit.
Yes,
PM Ankit. I will give my best. And as I am new to this club, so I want to gel with this club as much as possible. So I will give my best for this post. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Nipun. So friends, I open the floor for other persons to compete with Toastmaster Nipun Ahuja for the position of Sergeant at Arms. Friends, being SAA, there's one big advantage. SAA gets a chance to speak in every meeting. He opens the meeting. So he's a person who sets the tone. So he's getting the leadership as communication flavor both together in every meeting. So that's biggest advantage, I believe, for this position. So anyone would like to have this kind of advantage? For this, you need to compete with Toastmaster Nipun Ahuja. It's a call number 2. I open the floor. It's a last position, last EC position for 6-month term. After this, you will have only one thing: regret if you don't nominate yourself. Because for this, you will have to wait till the end of December. Elections will happen again. But so just nominate yourself for the very important position of SAA and be part of the EC for the next 6-month term. Call number 3. 10 more seconds. Nipun is waiting whether he sees any person out there or not, any Toastmaster to challenge his candidature. 5 more seconds. Everyone is waiting eagerly whether we see any voting or not. 3, 2, 1, go. So I request Toastmaster Akhil, Secretary of the club, to please cast vote in favor of Toastmaster Nipun Ahuja on behalf of the club as Sergeant at Arms.
Sure, sir. I hereby cast my vote to the Toastmaster Nipun for the position of SAA for the term July to December 2020. All the best and congratulations, Nipun. Over to you, sir.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Akhil. And with this, we have the last person for the position of SAA, our new SAAs, Toastmaster Nipun Ahuja for the term July to December. Big round of applause for him.
Thanks, Ankit. Thank you. Thanks.
So friends, with this, our EC is complete. Following persons have been elected. For the position of President, we have Toastmaster Gursifat Kaur. For the VP Education, Toastmaster Dhwani Gupta. VP Membership is Toastmaster Nitin Gautam. Vice President Public Relations, Toastmaster Karanveer Singh. New Secretaries, Toastmaster Aarti Motsara. The Treasurer is Toastmaster Karthik Bhatia. And Sergeant at Arms is Toastmaster Nipun Ahuja. I congratulate all the newly elected EC members and I wish luck for their endeavors in the upcoming 6 months. So big round of applause for the new EC. And with this, I hand over the stage back to our President.
Thank you, Ankit. So I would like to congratulate each elected member, a new EC member, and definitely I am sure then they are enough capable to take the club to the next level, to the next height, and they will definitely maintain the legacy, and definitely they will add the further value in it. So today we have Deepak Menon sir also with us. So, and Dheeraj, our area director, Dheeraj Jain. So we have also planned for the installation for them. So I request Dheeraj, are you there?
No, Mr. President, we don't have Toastmaster Dheeraj in our participant list right now.
Okay, I think he might have left. So can I request Deepak Menon sir, you can install our new EC because we have your gracious presence with us today. So it would be our privilege if you would help us to install our newly elected EC members, because only one term. So by 30th of June, we have to update on our website the new members. So are you there, sir?
I'm very much there. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
So you would like me to do an installation ceremony at this point in time?
Yes, sir.
Well, this is unexpected, but it's an unexpected pleasure, I would say, for installing the officers of the club. You're sure that your area director isn't here, Dheeraj?
Dheeraj, I have checked. I think
because I did see him joining.
Yeah, he joined in and then he went out. I think, I don't know. There may be some technical issue.
Okay.
Yeah.
So thank you very much, Mr. President, for inviting me to install the officers who have just been elected to the positions that were open for the Central Delhi Toastmasters Club for the July to December 2020 period. Indeed, it's an honor to be installing them. I have conducted many installation ceremonies, I've conducted many elections, but Central Delhi Toastmasters has always been special to me, special to my heart, because of the fact that this is my home club. This is where I come to learn and to grow. I would also like to, at this point in time, recognize all of the incumbent officers of Central Delhi Toastmasters. The Executive Committee of Central Delhi Toastmasters has done a tremendous job in this time of the pandemic in ensuring that we continue to have our meetings online, continue to stay engaged, making sure that our members are given this opportunity of having the meetings, ensuring that we're able to continue to progress in our objectives and the goals that we've set for ourselves, and for ensuring that the club has become President's Distinguished. Congratulations to the EC, the current EC. Let's all give them a big round of applause. Unmute yourselves and give them a big round of applause. Yep, you can now mute yourself again. Mr. President and other members of the EC, it is with great pride that I thank you for the service that you have rendered to the club. And I would like to also acknowledge all that you have done, whether it was as part of your responsibilities or over and above and beyond your responsibilities, to ensure that you've looked after the club to the best of your abilities. You will continue to serve in these roles until the 30th of June 2020, till the midnight of the 30th of June 2020. It is that at that time that you will hand over to the new EC, which has been elected today. Thank you again for your service to Central Delhi Toastmasters. I will now start the installation ceremony of the new EC members. Imagine that we have a gavel here in this virtual meeting room. Gajinder, if you have a gavel, can you hold it up and show it? We can't hear you, Gajinder, you're muted. Does anybody have a gavel with them?
Yeah, Ajay sir, can do you have a gavel? I think it is not with me right now. If you have, sir, then you can show.
Okay, yeah. There we have.
Virtual gavel work.
Your virtual gavel works very well. Thank you very much.
Yes,
that's perfect.
Correct.
Okay. So for the post of Sergeant at Arms, we have Nipun Ahuja. Nipun Ahuja, right? Is that the name?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And Nipun, in your role as a Sergeant at Arms of the Central Delhi Toastmasters Club, you will be responsible for all of the equipment of the club. You will be responsible for ensuring that the meeting room is available to the members of this club. If it is a virtual meeting, then you must ensure that we have the meeting room available for that meeting, that it's set up, that advanced communication is sent to the members, and basically ensure that the meeting is able to start on time, and that everything is done to make sure that the meeting proceeds according to the decorum that is we all expect from the Central Delhi Toastmasters Club. As you've seen the virtual gavel, I'd like you to hold that gavel in your hands and tell us whether you will fulfill these duties and responsibilities to the best of your ability.
Yes, sir. I will do my best and perform as good as possible and lift the club to another higher level. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Nipun. It is my honor to declare you installed as the Sergeant at Arms of Central Delhi Toastmasters for the July to December 2020 term. Congratulations. For the post of Club Treasurer, we have elected, can you remind me, Karthik Bhatia, right?
Yes.
Perfect. Can we continue to have the gavel displayed on the screen, please? Thank you. Karthik, as the treasurer of this club, as you very rightly stated, you will be responsible for maintaining the records, the financial records of this club, ensuring that you will meet all the expenditure and make sure that you will also collect dues from our members, make sure that the dues are paid up to Toastmasters International on time, and ensure that the club is financially secure to be able to conduct its meetings effectively. It is ultimately the treasurer's role to ensure that we are able to manage within the budget that we are able to prepare and then present to our club members. It will also be your duty to prepare the accounts of the club to get them audited at the appropriate time. Will you, in your role as the treasurer, Karthik Bhatia, fulfill these duties and responsibilities to the best of your ability?
Yes, sir. I commit myself to serve as treasurer of the club with my best of abilities and put in the best of my energy behind it.
Thank you, Karthik. Thank you very much. Congratulations. I declare you installed as the treasurer of Central Delhi Toastmasters for the period July to December 2020. For the position of secretary, we have Arti Motsara. Arti, I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly.
Yes, that's the correct pronunciation.
Thank you. Arti, as the secretary of the Central Delhi Toastmasters Club, it will be your responsibility to assist the Vice President of Education as a base camp manager. You will also be responsible for keeping the records of the club, maintaining the communication and correspondence of this club, ensuring that you have an updated list of the members of this club, all of the information relating to the members, whether it's their email addresses or their physical addresses, and other details that may be required for the purpose of this club. You will also be responsible for maintaining the minutes of the meetings of the regular club meetings as well as the executive committee meetings of this club. Will you, as the club secretary, Arti Motsara, fulfill these roles and responsibilities to the best of your ability?
Yes, sir. I promise to fulfill my duties as a secretary of the club with the utmost sincerity and integrity. Thank you.
Thank you, Arti. It is my honor to to declare you installed as the secretary of the Central Delhi Toastmasters Club for the period July to December 2020. Congratulations, Aarti. For the post of Vice President membership, can you remind me who was elected? Nitin Gautam?
Yes,
Was it Nitin Gautam?
Yes, Nitin Gautam.
For Vice President membership, it was Nitin Gautam.
And what was, who was Vice President Public Relations?
Karanveer.
Karanveer. Right. So I will first install Karanveer. Karanveer, you're the incumbent and the elected Vice President Public Relations. You seem to love that position very much because you don't want to let go of it. So you're clearly aware of the roles and responsibilities of the Vice President Public Relations, but you need to go a step beyond. Today we have only 26 members in this club. I have never experienced only 26 members in the Central Delhi Toastmasters Club. There have always been 50 or more members in the club. So it will be your responsibility, Karanveer, to ensure that you spread the net far and wide to get as many guests into this meeting by ensuring that you publicize the meetings of this club in all social media, perhaps even in other media like press and television and radio, to get as much publicity as you can, not just to the members within the club through the newsletters and the website, but also to people outside the club, to the general community, so that they are encouraged to join Toastmasters and specifically Central Delhi Toastmasters Club. Will you, Karanveer, in your role as the Vice President Public Relations, fulfill these roles and responsibilities to the best of your ability?
Yes, I promise to fulfill all the roles and responsibilities and take club to another level.
Thank you very much, Karanveer. It is my honor to declare you installed as the Vice President Public Relations of the Central Delhi Toastmasters Club for the term July to December 2020. The Vice President membership who you have elected is Nitin Gautam. Nitin, in your role as the Vice President membership, it will be your responsibility to take care of all the members of this club, to ensure that their needs are being met, that they are being able to fulfill the objectives for which they join Toastmasters. You will ensure that all of the guests who walk into the meeting room, whether it is in person or it is virtual, will end up becoming members of Central Delhi Toastmasters Club. You will not allow a single guest to leave without having converted them into members of this club. You will also ensure that at no point in time, the roster of Central Delhi Toastmasters will have less than 50 members on its rolls. You will ensure that we will have all our members retained, and we will continuously keep adding new members to this club as per the legacy that this club has already established. Will you, Nitin, in your role as the Vice President membership of Central Delhi Toastmasters, fulfill these roles and responsibilities to the best of your ability?
Yes, sir. I will perform my duties to the best of my abilities and my skills.
Thank you very much, Nitin. It is my honor to declare you installed as the Vice President membership of the Central Delhi Toastmasters Club for the term July to December 2020. Congratulations, Nitin. For the position of Vice President of Education, Dhwani Gupta has been elected by the club. Dhwani, if there is a role which is the most critical, most important key role in a Toastmasters Club, it is the role of the Vice President Education. I refer to the Vice President of Education as the mother of the club, because as the mother of the club, Dhwani, you will be responsible for ensuring that all of the members are looked after, that their needs are looked after, that you will make sure that you give an opportunity to every member to enhance their skills, their communication and leadership skills, and all other objectives that they've joined Toastmasters for. it will be your responsibility to ensure that every single member feels that their needs are being served, that they have a mentor assigned to them who will provide them the benefits and the knowledge and skills and experience that they've joined Toastmasters for. It'll be your duty to guide this club in that motherly and loving fashion so that nobody wants to leave this club, so that everybody wants to stay with the Central Delhi Toastmasters. Will you, Dhwani Gupta, as the Vice President Education of Central Delhi Toastmasters, fulfill these roles and responsibilities to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will. I will do my best in ensuring that all the educational goals of individuals and the club are fulfilled.
Thank you very much, Dhwani. It is my honor to install you as the Vice President of Education of Central Delhi Toastmasters for the July to December 2020 term. Congratulations, Dhwani. And I now come to the president of the club. The president who's been elected is Gursifat Kaur Chhabra. Gursifat has been a member for a couple of years now. Since 2019, she's been a member and has served in many other capacities. And I know as the president of this club, she will do wonders for our club. As the president, Gursifat, you will be wielding the gavel with authority, but also with compassion. You will work with all your team members who have confirmed at this point in time that they will serve this club with full diligence, sincerity, and commitment. And if they do their job well, then really you have nothing to do. But indeed, you have to motivate and guide and inspire your team to deliver the best possible results to Central Delhi Toastmasters Club. Central Delhi Toastmasters has risen to the top of the heap in District 41 as one of the best clubs in the district. And it will be your role to ensure that it retains that position as the best club in the district. It will be your role to ensure that all the members feel that they are looked after, are given the opportunity that they have joined Toastmasters for. It'll be your responsibility to continuously mentor and guide the members of this club. You will be responsible for ensuring that we have a salubrious climate in the club where everybody feels supported and looked after. Will you, Toastmaster Gursifat Kaur Chhabra, as the president of the Central Delhi Toastmasters Club, fulfill these roles and responsibilities to the best of your ability?
Yes, sir. I'll put my heart and soul, and I'll continue the legacy of our past presidents and take the club to next level.
Thank you very much, Gursifat. It is my honor indeed to declare you installed as the president of Central Delhi Toastmasters for the July to December 2020 term. Congratulations, Gursifat. Members of Central Delhi Toastmasters, all of you, when you joined Central Delhi Toastmasters, took an oath. You looked at the Toastmasters promise, you vowed that you would adhere to the Toastmasters promise. If you fulfill all the promises that you made as a member of Central Delhi Toastmasters and support the executive committee, this club will indeed rise up to become and will continue to be the best club in District 41. And why in just District 41, but in the entire world? Wouldn't you want it to be the best club in the world? If you do agree with me, can you unmute yourself and say yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
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 Yes, sir.
Yes.
Fantastic. Indeed, that's what I want. I want that this club indeed be the best club in the world. And to do that, you will ensure that you will stand with the new executive committee that you have elected today that have been installed to their roles today. And if you do that, you will certainly ensure that this club will meet all the quality parameters that have been set out for any Toastmasters club anywhere in the world. Will you, members of Central Delhi Toastmasters, stand with the EC, support them, and ensure that you fulfill your responsibility and promise that you made as members of Toastmasters? And the answer I expect is, yes, I will.
Yes,
Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself and
Yes.
say so.
Yes, I will.
Yes,
I
I will. Yes, I will.
Thank you, members of Central Delhi Toastmasters. Indeed, this is the club which can make history, which has made history, because this is the club that has given Toastmasters International an international president. It has potential to give many more international presidents. All of you have the capability of one day becoming an international president of this organization. You have the ability to be the world champion of public speaking if you put your heart and mind and soul into it. Yes, you can achieve anything that you put your heart and mind and soul to it. I urge you all to engage fully with what Toastmasters offers. As a past international president said, if you can get from Toastmasters all that you can get out of Toastmasters, you will never get out of Toastmasters. Mr. President.
Thank you, sir. It's wonderful to look at the new AC installed and then how nicely it is done, and you have covered up all nitty-gritty, all the minor details of each role, which even I have also learned in this session. Thank you very much, and thank you for joining us for today's by making a time out and to be present in this occasion. It is always a privilege to have you, sir, and I thank you on behalf of the club to take this opportunity and to accept my request for that. Thank you very much, sir. So now I would like to invite our president, the newly elected president, to share her vision to take the club forward. So I would like to invite Toastmaster Gursimrat Kaur Chhabra to share her views.
Good evening, everyone. Once again, thank you for bestowing confidence in us and in me and electing me your next president. Believe me, it's an amazing feeling to be the president of the best club, Central Delhi Toastmasters. Thank you, Deepak Menon sir, for coming today and for supporting all of us. This meant a lot for all of us. Thank you to each and every person here. I would like to extend my gratitude to our former presidents who did so much hard work, and that is the reason why the club is progressing and where it is the best club. And I would also thank Yash and Toastmaster Samaya. They were the ones who introduced me to this club and pushed me to join it and just come to this beautiful platform. The two precious people of my life, these two were always there with me. The guidance was like a torchlight. Whenever I fell, they were there to pick me up. These two my mentors, Toastmasters Farsh and Toastmaster Chhabra. Thank you for always being there. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you to our current EC for always getting my ideas approved, supporting them, and letting me do work as I wish to. And the first day I still remember coming to Toastmasters, I saw enthusiastic people, such energy in the room, and I was just amazed to see such flawless speakers. And I, as the president, want to make more leaders, better speakers, and proud Toastmasters, the one the club has made me today. Because at the time when I joined the club, I was really introvert and a shy teenager. This club has just changed me from that self-conscious nerd to a 20-year-old confident girl who can just face anyone in this world now. Thank you, members, for all the support. And I think you will be supporting all of us throughout our journey. I believe that small initiatives, small changes leads to big transformation. So I have few of the initiatives that I want to get get in club so that it can add value. First of all, I would like to collaborate and our vocabulary and our dictionary. I totally believe that the essence of leadership is to convert vision into reality, and I hope to do the same. I congratulate the EC, our upcoming EC, and would love to work with you all. You are commendable leaders. That's all from my side. Over to you.
Thank you, Gursifat, for sharing your vision and to take the club forward. And we have our former presidents present now. Three president, I can see the Toastmaster Ajay Malik, Chipra Gupta, and Spas Jain. So I would like to invite our election chair and Ajay Malik sir to give guidance and thought light to Gursifat to how she can make a difference in the club and to take the club to the next level. We have some time, so at least you can share your views as much as Toastmaster Ajay. Hello. I think he's not here. So, Spurs, are you there? Shipra? Shipra, are you there?
Yes.
Yeah. You want to guide Gursifat and to any of your experience you would like to share as a president. So as quickly as because we are now about to finish, so you can share your views.
I would like to extend my congratulations to all the EC members who've been elected. You guys have been given the responsibility of taking care of the club. Your job involves conducting the meeting, the smooth conduction, and everything. So, my only suggestion to you guys is do your best, enjoy this journey, and learn as much as possible, because this is a platform wherein you will fall, you will learn, and all the learnings you can take and apply in real life. So just enjoy it here. Don't feel too much pressured, and have an amazing journey so that you have something to remember when you see yourself 6 months down the line.
Thank you, Shipra. Thank you. Okay. So, Ajay Malik sir, are you there? Anyway, okay. I would like to share my experience, and I would to conclude the meeting after that. Being a HR professional, I always wanted to improve my communication skills. And one day when I joined a Toastmaster, Central Delhi Toastmaster, I searched on internet and I joined 6 years back. And when I have attended my first meeting at CDTM as a guest, when I see the people who are speaking confidently and flawlessly, I felt so nervous at that point of time. And people, those who know me, they can gauge out then what the difference I made during that time till now. When I gave my first icebreaker speech, my legs were shivering. I was not able to utter any word. And I remember still when the meetings were conducted in the conference hall at YMCA, and I was hiding my face. Then I have not been called on a stage to deliver on table topic speech. And my life had changed since then due to the congenial environment at the club where I met awesome, exciting, and intelligent and outspoken, approachable, caring friends. And top of that, the friends who support you irrespective of anything and drive the best in you. I cherish a lot of memories of the club now. When I attended my 50th meeting of Central Delhi Toastmaster at YMCA lawn, where members gave their best speeches, amazing performances, dancing, singing, and whatnot, the sumptuous food. And that evening brought my heart out to the club. And since then, I am continuing my journey with CDTM. And I don't dare to leave the club, and still I am rejoicing my journey. I have participated in many competitions, but I never won. But last year I won the humorous speech contest at the club level, and that was an exciting moment for me. I have not won at the club level, but I have represented at area level. I was a runner-up. I remember the Deepak Menon sir used to come in the club back in 2014 and 15, and I was accompanying him in his car, and he's driving me to the Lakshmi Nagar and sharing the insight. And then at that point of time, that learning which I got during that time of my journey when I was driving with him in his car, and then that was a very valuable knowledge or the insight I gained about the Toastmasters. I have lost many elections, 4 years, continuously fighting for any elections and not even one for an sergeant at arms position. And I felt so embarrassed many times, but I did not lose hope. And now I am a president, one of the prestigious club, Central Delhi Toastmasters. So I give advice to all of you. If any of your Toastmasters or veteran Toastmasters approaches you, don't take it lightly. Go and grab that opportunity. I got many friends. In my phone, I have more than 200 people to whom I connect. And even I know more people I might be knowing in my Facebook friends. So that is the asset which I gained from the Central Delhi Toastmasters. And maybe in future, I can gain more out of it. I feel honored even when I have witnessed the international personalities like Daniel Rex has visited our club, or the past international president Pat Johnson. When I got an opportunity to meet them personally, it was a privilege to meet them, and it was a memorable moment of my life when I met such an amazing leaders the world. So lot of incidents I do share, and we are running short of time, but when I speak about my journey and my experience with Central Delhi Toastmasters, even it took more than an hour to speak on it. So I don't want to miss any opportunity to attend the meeting of the club, and I'm quite most pretty regular member of the club. And I miss my friend like first president Riti Wadhwa, Deepak Sharma, Nitin Pandey, Saurabh Babu, Ajay Malik Shah is still with us, Neha Malik, Gurpreet Babbar, Spurs Jain. I have a long list of people to whom I do connect personally with them, and they have influenced my life with their speeches, with their insight, with their thoughts and the knowledge they shared with me. So when I talk about the memories, then it would not conclude. So I would like to thank each one of you to attending and to meeting, make this meeting more successful. And with this note, I would like to request the guest. Guest is there, and I think guest is already left. So I would like to conclude the meeting officially. So I just thank everyone to be here and to make this meeting more successful. This election were possible because of you all were present and make a quorum complete. So take care of your health, stay healthy, happy, and definitely will come out of this time, and we would soon be meeting at the YMCA. Thank you very much for joining us today. Thank you very much. Hello. Hello. Yeah. Yes. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now just I would like to conclude the meeting officially. So I think we are also in time. So it's now 9:15 now. So just thank you very much for joining us today.
Thank you.